All right, so let's go over see what I mean by like this native save thing. So I actually have Clio and NetDocs installed on the same computer. Now, normally you can never have two DMSs installed on the same computer, but because Clio really isn't a DMS at all, it's easy to do. So this is what my expectation is. I'm in Word, I hit save. NetDocs pops. Like it's built in natively. I can then choose something to save. I'm in Excel. I hit save. NetDocs pops. Okay. I'm in Adobe and I hit save. NetDocs pops. Same thing if I also hit open too. File, open. NetDocs pops. If I'm in Kofax, if I'm in PowerPoint, let me just go down the list. NetDocs integrates with all the major PDF programs, except the whole Office suite and a lot of other stuff too. Now, in Clio, there's no way of doing it. Now, I have to be super truthful here because I want to go in there. I've got Clio Drive installed. So basically, what they want you to do is come over and do a save as. And then with Clio Drive installed, I'm going to now hit browse. Are you counting the clicks here? I'm going to then come over to the Clio Drive. And then this is the synchronization of what's in Clio. So you're moving, this is a Windows folder structure, just not as good as a Windows folder structure. So it's broken down every client alphabetically. There is a setting to change that. So then I would come in here and then I would come over and let's just go in here. And then I would choose the matter and save the document. All right, there's no way of coding the document as well. If we just want to come back to what a real save with a DMS is, I'm going to choose my clients cabinet here. And then I can profile a client, a matter, a doc type. I can put comments. I've got an author field. I've got some other attributes that I just want people to fill out here. So Clio, the old Windows folder system of finding a folder and saving it in there. That's it. Not integrating into really any program except that. The exception, and I do want to be very fair to both programs here, is with the drive, you could open this up and there is create a new document option here. But this is only creating a Word document. So then you would give the document a name, we'll just go, and then you have to choose, and you can choose a doc type here. Answers, create document. And if you go this way, it will go in. But again, that the question here is if I hit save as, does Clio pop open? Does not. NetDocs does immediately. There's no extra clicks there. So the clicks, it's like one click to like five clicks on the comparison there.